Hey y'all, Big E here. Absolutely beautiful Sunday afternoon, maybe 65 degrees. Only way to do January is how we do it here in Texas. Like to welcome you. We're out back on the back 40, and I was just thinking, man, this is a perfect day to just lounge around and enjoy the beautiful weather that God's given us. But as you can see, there's nowhere to sit. Unless I want to sit on the old Naraha, my tractor, and I don't want to sit on that. So today, we're going to turn this spool into some awesome lawn furniture. Maybe a rocker, we'll see. Stay tuned, fellas. Hey y'all, now before we get started, I want to take a second to talk about surplus and how to acquire it. I got buddies that are always asking me, "Hey bro, how do you get all your scrap for your scrap magic?" And I'm like, well, just wherever, life in general. We just fixed a shower head that was dripping. We have these two gems right here. May not look much now, but that could be an eye or. Look at this, watch this. Take this sucker apart. Now you got a little round piece or maybe a little leg, who knows. But for now, it's going in the treasure chest. When I'm making something and I need that special shape and I don't know, I just need something, I need inspiration, I go to the treasure chest. All kinds of stuff in here. You got like this right here. That's the internals to a half-inch drive ratchet. Got a hook right here. Make something cool out of that. This piece right here, actually, a guy on the job site, his water pump went out. This is part of the internals of the water pump. He donated it to the treasure chest. Appreciate you, Hormiga. Another way is just from folks knowing what you do and thinking it's cool. Repurposing old scrap that somebody else would throw away. Got a buddy that just gave me this. Super excited about this. It's an old railroad spike. Check this out. Look at that. This sucker is heavy. He got these things back in I think it was 83 or 86 from his pops. And his pops had them since the 50s or 60s. So they've never been used. They've just been sitting in that can waiting on some scrap magic. Old Richard was like, man, I don't want nothing for him. He said, just make something cool. Well, I got you, bro. Stay tuned. So as always, safety first. Remember, real men hate splinters. All right, let's get ready for some destruction. See, that's where our issue is right there. Now that's safe. Safety glasses, shield, safety rated eyeglasses. We're getting close, fellas. All right, y'all. It's Saturday. It's sunny. Got my favorite shades. I've been waiting 13 days to do what I'm fixing to do right now. Follow me. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, that's comfort. First and foremost, dual cup holders. Gave her that wide body stance, built for comfort. And just to make it uniquely mine, I welded a hole saw on the bottom there to cup the canopy, drilled a hole in the wood to stabilize it. Well, I tell you, I am going to enjoy this chair and for years to come. Sitting out here on the back 40, got my shade up and my shades on. Refreshing beverage. I just wanted to tell you thank you. And if you enjoy what you watch, hit the subscribe button. Like it right there. Appreciate you guys. See you next time.